Hi, to fix control center not working problem on iPhone 16e, first thing we can do is to clean up iPhone's screen a bit because dust and dirt can make great impact on sensors work. So make sure to clean a bit screen of your phone with the help of soft tissue like that, soft cloth. And then we can go in settings. Here we need to find control sensor tab and make sure that access within apps is turned on, so the switcher is green. Then you can also reset control center back to their defaults. So just reset it and go back. Another thing we can do is we can find accessibility, then pick voice over and make sure it is turned off because it can have really strong effect on control center work as well. So make sure to turn it off. Then in settings, we need to find Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode. Here scroll down. Make sure that control center is turned on, so we allowed access when device is locked. So if you want to reach your control center on lock screen like that, then you need to turn it on in settings. Another thing we can do is to check for any new updates. So go in general, pick software update, and if you can see this information that your device is up to date, then everything is fine. If not, just update your device. Firstly, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that your phone is charged at least at 50%, and then update your device. Another thing we can do is force restart phone. For that, you need to quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then hold side key till you see Apple logo on the screen. Let's try this out. Up, down, and hold. Just ignore this power off menu. Continue holding side button on the right side of the phone until the screen will turn off like that. And once you see Apple logo, you can release the button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. Great. And the last thing we can do to fix this problem is to reset all settings. For that, go in settings, in general settings on the phone first, find general tab, and from here scroll all the way down to see this option transfer or reset iPhone. And right now we need to click reset and choose to reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't influence your data and won't delete anything. It will just reset settings. So click it, enter your passcode, and as you can see, no data or media will be deleted. So just click here and confirm by clicking it again. And now you should be able to easily reach your control center, but firstly wait a bit till your phone will be restarted. And this is it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.